Hello friends, welcome to Smriti Creation. Our shop is located in Jayanagar 2nd block, Bangalore, behind BBMP office, near the famous Hotel Bangalore Cafe. Come let's check the trendy collection. We have pure kanchi silk, crepe, soft silk, fancy saris, unstitched dress materials, blouse fabrics, and lots more. You can check the Google Map link in the description of this video. We have shipping all over the world. Single item courier facility also available. Video call facility also available. You can check our collections from our website. Link is given in the description.
Hello friends, welcome to Smriti Creations. In today's video, I will be showing you some of the tussar silk varieties. In this is a sort of tussar silk which is very soft feeling. As you all know, we are put up in Jayanagar, 2nd block, Bangalore. You can also WhatsApp to us and get the collections. We have a website, and in the website also you can see all our collections. In this particular tussar silk, we have around 6 to 7 designs. Right now I will be showing you in 2 designs, and the color base will be sober color and the bright colors. The border will be having the Pochampalli style, ikat style of the weavings. All these are home washable, full guarantee. There is no need for dry wash. For your sake, I will be showing you one saree opening for the sake of pallu and blouse. The rate is 1260, and this 1260 all over South India the shipping will be free. I will be opening much more to you. See. This is the body part to my right side. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse. And the body pattern will be like this. This is a variety. Now I will be showing you the second set of Benaras tussar silk. See, the borders will be of different concepts. This is Jari border with Benaras style, and body will be in checks modes. You can see 3 or 4 designs in this. That peacock borders, peacock body, peacock borders, peacock body, big borders, small borders, and many concepts. And the beauty of this saree is the whole saree will be of same colors, and it will same thing. It will be having the pastel shades and the English shades. That means sober shades. For your reference, I will be showing you one saree regarding the pallu and the blouse. See, this is so beautiful. This is the body part, this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part. See, the blouse you can differentiate. There will be jari weaving just like checks type in it. And this will give you a grand look for the blouse part. And in the pallu part, there is some jute silk also mixed. And this is the body part. I will be opening one more saree. See, this is the Banaras and Kanchi saree borders. In this pallu, you will be having the jute stealing in it. This is the body part, this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part. Blouse part you can differentiate easily. There is some extra weaving also. This is like double thread weaving. And this is the body part. It looks so elegant. The cost of this saree is 1100, and as you all know, above 1000 for South India the shipping will be free, and above 1500 for North India, for all over India actually, the shipping will be free. Now I will be showing you the third set of our collections. This is called Kubera Pattu, and the beauty of this saree is this is woven with copper jari. This is again very soft material and very easy flow material. Like I have already said, we are put up in Jayanagar, 2nd block, Bangalore. You can note down our WhatsApp number which will be scrolled through the video, that is 944-8381-656. Now I will be showing you the codes of the sarees. See, the saree is having, each saree will be having one code. Kindly take a note of those codes or take a screenshot. And through this code, you can check the colors and the details of the sarees in our website. Our website is www.smriticreation.com. Each saree will be having different blouses. Saree and pallu will be same and blouse will be of different contrast, and there will be no relationship with the blouse contrast. It will be totally different. This is called ulta contrast or wrong contrast. I will be opening some of the sarees for you to have a good look of it. The rate of this saree is 2,100 and the shipping will be free for all over India. See, I will be opening one bottle green saree with copper zari weaving. It is very easy flow. It is a wedding collection. It is very nice for gifting purpose also. See, this is having kanchi style border and copper weaving, beautiful pallu, and the blouse contrast will be orange. There will be no relationship with the color and the blouse. And wearing this will give you an elegant look. I will be showing this saree also. Now I will be opening the light lavender shade. This is again a beautiful color. Copper weaving, single color body, single color blouse, pallu. Again the kanchi border concept. Body will be woven by silver copper zari. See the blouse. Again you can see the details on or the picture wise in our websites. Our website name is smriticreation.com. See, this is the red color. The saree is so nice and the blouse will be navy blue color. See, please come to our shop. We are put up in Jayanagar 2nd block. We are open from 10:30 in the morning to 7:30 in the evening. We are closed on Sundays, and the rate of this saree is 2,100. Again, I will be telling you the shipping will be free for all over India. You can enjoy shopping with us.